Hi everyone, very good evening to you. Welcome to Krystal Traders Hub. Today we shall be trying to gauge our level of knowledge, our level of understanding of all what we have preached for weeks now. We really need to understand to what extent people have assimilated what we've taught and to what impact it has made so far. So today we're going to be testing our knowledge base. I'm going to be pulling up a couple of charts. So all you need to do as a professional trader, because you already won now, regardless of the fact that you've not started using live trading accounts, but you're already a professional trader based on what you've learned so far. So I'm going to be pulling up a couple of charts. Okay, these charts, all you need to do is to identify what the macro structure is all about, like the market structure, if I am going to put it that way, is telling you, and also assuming you're going to take a trade based on what you read from the chart. What would you do? Would you prefer to be a buyer, or would you want to be a seller? If you're going to be a buyer or a seller, where do you want to place your stops? Where do you want to place your profits, right? So you're going to try as much as possible to explain why you're making that kind of decision. We want to really get people to be rational enough to think, to really understand why some kind of trading decisions are taken. So we're going to be pulling up those charts now, and all you need to do is go to the chart, read through, understand the structure, understand the pattern, then attempt to take a trade. And you're going to leave your idea in the comment section, and we're going to go through it and provide good feedback. So in other words, we've got 4 charts on display for you. We've got the Euro USD daily chart. We also have the GBP JPY daily chart. We also have the USD card, as well as the GBP JPY. So just like I emphasized earlier, all you have to do is to go through the chart. You could take a screenshot of each of them and give your own analysis of whatever trading decision you feel you could take based on what you have learned so far, and leave those ideas in the comment section, and we shall deliberate on them in due course. I'm going to leave it at that today. By the next time we're going to be meeting, we're going to be explaining more of risk management. We're going to be doing more of the in-depth mathematics. Okay, you want to really understand how much you're losing per trade. I'm going to teach you how to read your pips. I'm going to teach you how to take your lot sizes, position well in the market, differences between 0.01 lot size, 0.2 lot size, and 2 lot size. Okay, differences between the standard lot size, the micro lot size, and the mini lots. So understanding all of those place you in a greater position to take successful trades while minimizing your risk, at the same time maximizing your profit. So until then, to like our videos, share, and drop your comments, and we'll be happy to respond to them. So until then, have a good one. Bye.